Understanding oven roasted, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, oven roasted. This is a common term you might come across in recipes, cooking shows, or even on restaurant menus. So, let's dive in and understand what it means, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Oven roasting is a cooking method that involves cooking food in an oven using dry heat. It's different from baking, as roasting typically involves higher temperatures and is used for larger pieces of food like meats and vegetables. The term, oven roasted, highlights the method used and the flavor characteristics it imparts to the food. Let's see some examples of how oven roasted is used. I love the taste of oven roasted chicken with herbs. For dinner, we're having oven roasted vegetables. These sentences showcase the phrase in a culinary context, helping you understand its practical application. In many cultures, oven roasting is a traditional cooking method, especially for festive meals or family gatherings. Understanding this phrase helps in appreciating global culinary traditions and in conversations about food and cooking. When talking about cooking or food, you can use oven roasted to describe the cooking method or the distinct taste it gives to food. For example, I prefer oven roasted turkey on Thanksgiving. How about trying oven roasted potatoes instead of fried ones? And that's a wrap on oven roasted. Remember, this phrase is all about the cooking method and the delicious flavors it brings to food. We hope this video helps you in your English language journey, especially when it comes to talking about food and cooking. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.